Turmeric helps in boosting the glow of the skin, while rose powder helps in making it pink and radiant. So here's a DIY face mask that is prepared with the infusion of these two amazing natural ingredients, and you can prepare it home right away. To make this rose and turmeric face pack, start by adding 2 teaspoons of rose petal powder. Rose petal powder subdues blemishes and dark spots and gives your skin a pinkish glow while making it even. Then, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder boosts skin radiance naturally, helps in acne scarring and skin spots. Finally, go ahead and add lemon juice, a few teaspoons of it. Lemon juice promotes skin lightening and brightening and also reduces skin damage and premature aging. Once all the ingredients are added, give the pack a good stir to make a flowy and consistent paste. Apply the paste onto your face with the help of a face pack brush, spreading it evenly. Then let it stay on for about 8 to 10 minutes. Rinse with cold water and moisturize your skin with a mild moisturizer. Try this face mask for about 2 to 3 times in a week for that perfect looking skin that is light, bright and even. So watch the video and find out how to prepare it.